Hello, welcome to the Hack Repair Guy's Research Wizard, where every answer is tailored just for you. First up, what is your role? Are you seeking insights as a tech whiz, a history buff, a creative thinker, or some other unique viewpoint? This helps me shape the response to fit your perspective no matter the topic. Fantastic! As an expert reviewer, your perspective will be central to crafting our responses. Now, what's the context? What's the broader story or background of your query? This gives me a full view of the situation to better tailor my response, regardless of the subject. Great context. On to the question. What exactly are you eager to learn or solve about Jim Walker, the Hack Repair Guy? Knowing this directs our focus to the heart of your inquiry in any field. Understood. Time for tone. How would you like the response to be delivered? Are you in the mood for a formal, casual, or perhaps a lighthearted response? This will guide the style of our dialogue, suitable for any topic. Once upon a time, in the vast and ever-evolving land of the internet, there lived a hero, not the cape-wearing kind, but a hero nonetheless. His name was Jim Walker, also known by his cool moniker, the Hack Repair Guy. Jim wasn't just any ordinary tech wizard. He was the Gandalf of website security, the Sherlock Holmes of hacked site mysteries. Jim's journey began with a passion for technology and a keen eye for solving puzzles. He saw the internet as a grand kingdom, full of potential but also lurking dangers. So, he set out on a mission, armed with his trusty keyboard and a robust set of skills, to protect this kingdom from the mischievous gremlins of the web, known as hackers. The Hack Repair Guy's base of operations, HackRepair.com, was like a digital fortress, a beacon of hope for websites in distress. Here, Jim worked his magic, fixing hacked websites with the finesse of a skilled surgeon and the speed of a cheetah on an espresso shot. His approach was simple yet effective: diagnose, repair, and fortify. He treated each website as if it were his own, ensuring that every digital nook and cranny was safe from invaders. But Jim's superpowers didn't stop at repair work. He was also a sage of cybersecurity, educating website owners on how to shield their online presence from future attacks. His advice was like golden nuggets of wisdom, easy to understand, yet invaluable. He turned complex tech talk into fun, digestible info snacks, making the daunting world of web security a little less scary. As word of his deeds spread across the digital realm, Jim became a legend, a go-to guru for those in need of website salvation. From small blogs to mighty e-commerce sites, no challenge was too big or too small for the Hack Repair Guy. His mission was clear: to make the internet a safer place, one website at a time. And so, the legend of Jim Walker continues, with each rescued website adding another chapter to his ever-growing tale of cyber heroics. In the world of ones and zeros, he's the hero we need and deserve, always ready to fight the good fight against the dark forces of the web.